Previously on Lost.
I think what we're going to do, instead of just going straight to find pebbles, I'm gonna try to follow the list of things that I need to eat. Okay, you know what? You know what we're gonna do? Now I gotta eat. What is that? Bubble fruit? I think that's bubble fruit. What is that? Oh, wait, no, that's the bubble fruit. That's not. I went onto the wiki to make sure I was going in the right location. Apparently I'm not. Apparently it's in Shoreline the whole time. There's a blue thing. I don't know what that blue thing is. What is that? Oh god, no. No. Oh wait, they're right here. Nice. Alright, what am I gonna eat next? An egg bug? That's gonna be a bit hard to get. What the hell is this? Where's this lead? Give me something to work off of. Like, what is this place? The pipe yard? Yo, what the fuck? Well, I'm saving. Fuck the egg bug, I want to look at here. I don't care about the egg bug anymore. I want to go through here. We'll skip it, it's fine. I'll just eat everything else. Pipe yard, that's cool. So it's like a junkyard sort of place. That's neat. I've always liked junkyards. I don't know what it is. Like it's like their aesthetic that just makes me, I don't know, it pleases me to see a bunch of dead rusted metal lying everywhere. Can we do anything with these? No. It just wants me to eat them, and I don't want to eat them. I'll headbutt you. I love this music. I'm getting like Baba Is You vibes from the music. I'm sure if I was a artificer, I'd have much more fun with this. The jumps, at least. Alright, let's go. Ooh. Ah. You motherfucker, I'll eat you. Okay, we got 2 pipes. One goes this way, which goes deeper. There's a mole lizard. Okay, what's that? Is that an axolotl? It is an axolotl. And there's just every lizard here. And everyone's here. The mole lizard, the blue lizard, the other blue lizard. The axolotl, the pink lizard. I haven't seen a green lizard yet, though. I'm not scared of that. It's just a centipede. I'll get you. Give me a sec. I'll get you. Oh, turtles, my favorite. In we go. Man, I miss train shelter. I miss train shelter very much. I remember this. I remember this song. They brought it back. Good. It's a good song. Not gonna go over there because I don't want to. Oh. Bro, you almost got me. That's a good spot, actually. That's a great spot. Unfortunately, I need to go there, so... That's what you get. Ooh, egg bug. Come here, you. You know your fate. Come here, you. He's going that way. I got him. I got him in my sights. I'll get him. Ha-ha! Aha! Perfect! Now I just gotta find a place to save. What is that? Oh, come on, not another new thing. Oh, fine. How much does this feed me? Okay. Good, I was worried it was gonna give me like a quarter. Oh, how convenient. This is a tight space. Goodness. Oh, I can find it here. Oh, okay, cool. Good. That's gonna stay here. That's fine. Cool, that gives me a reason to stay here. It's kind of hard not making noise as Gourmand because, like... Ooh, is that it? Wait. It made like a spear noise. Hang on. Oh, I can throw them! Oh, they're weapons! Okay. Man, this place is really... This place is gorgeous. I love it. Again, like, I really like industrial sort of, like, abandoned pipe infrastructures. I don't know why I've always liked that so much. It's been a favorite of mine for such a long time. Does this lead to Subterranean? Hang on, what else do I need to eat, actually? Oh, I gotta need an orange lizard. Damn it. Whoops. Exterior's technically closer? I might just do Sky Islands, honestly. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do Sky Islands. That's honestly easier. Because this place is cool. I could have just done this the whole time. Oh my god, I'm so fucking stupid. Was I not in the pipe yard before? Oh, that's the thing. Okay. I see. Excuse me. Where's this go? No. I feel intense danger approaching. There it is. Haha, dumb bitch. Can't get me. You're stupid. Stupid poopy, haha. Poopy stupid, haha. Haha, dumb. Dumb, haha, poopy. I almost didn't make that. I was expecting to die, that's why I kept taunting him. Well, how much time do I have? Like 5 minutes. Okay. Well, this climb shouldn't take me 5 minutes. Maybe. If I take forever? I wonder where this leads. I'm so curious. Oh, it's never good when this happens. Something big's about to show up. Something real big, something real intimidating. Maybe when I get there, I'll figure it out. You see, I was joking when I said that this climb was going to take me 5 minutes. Okay, there. Oh boy. Let me ferment for a bit. Whee. That's definitely a yellow lizard. I don't know where this leads. Maybe it'll conveniently lead me to where I need to go. Alright, Buddy Boo, where does this go? Wait. Oh my god, it does actually just conveniently take me where I need to go. Can you move? Actually, no, come with me. I might need you later, actually. Excuse me. Please move. You want that? Sure, go ahead, have it. Sky Islands makes me so nervous. Excuse me, dude. need to eat something, though. Excuse me. Please don't hurt me. I am a little baby boy. I mean no harm to anyone, truly. Goodness gracious. Where the hell does this go? Can I eat these? I can eat these. Oh, nice. Those were important somehow. Is there a vulture? Is it a regular vulture? Yeah. Ooh, you know? Come here, you. I got a bomb, I'm not afraid to use it. Actually, no, I'm a little afraid to use it. Because I am not certified to use this weapon. Haha! You fart. You fool. You thought you had me, but you didn't. And there's food over there. Fantastic. Hi. Man, can you move? It would be very beneficial to me if you moved out of the way. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna sit in this little cubby right here. Okay, cool. You left. Second, am I gonna make that? No, I'm not. Hi. No, come off, fuck. Shit. This is not good. This is not good at all. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, that was close. Oh my god, that was really close. Oh boy. Whew. Okay. Alright. You don't know where I went. Haha, you fool. See, they're stupid. They don't know what they're doing. It does! Yay! This is new music. Man, I feel like I'm playing Hunter all over again. Never thought I'd be playing Gourmand in Sky Islands. He's just a big old boy. Oh, I had to eat a Centowing. Okay, good. I don't have to eat Centowing then. Fantastic. Oh. He liked the tomato. I wonder where I have to go after this. It's like I went to the pipe area and... oh no. Oh no. Really? Sky Islands of all places you're gonna storm? Oh my god. Really? Sky Islands. The worst possible place for it to storm. You're gonna storm here. Oh, dear god. And I was gonna go to fucking... where the lizards were. But I guess not. Okay, maybe I can still go there. I just gotta, like... wait it out. I just gotta wait it out. It's okay, I don't have to. I don't have to do this. I'm going to do it, though. Come on. Okay. I'm too fat. You know what? I think we're just gonna wait this one out. I think I'm just gonna re-hibernate. I'm not gonna do this, no. I need you to move. Either go through there, or don't. Just don't sit there. Oh, I see. I can't hibernate in this one. I can't hibernate at all, actually. Okay, so I guess I have to. Come on! Oh, come on! Alright, dude. I don't want to have to do this a second time. It is because I'm fucking fat. Asshole. Honestly, you know what? I'm just gonna go to the exterior to do this because fuck this foot. Why do I hear danger music? What's the problem this time? Oh! Okay. Wait here. Like I said, wait here, and he flew off. Oh, no, there he is. Okay. Hey, look, I know this is a bit of a weird confrontation, but, the gods are telling me I need to eat one of you. And for that to happen, one of you needs to die, unfortunately. I know this is probably not good news for you, and you know, you probably have like a nice life that you want to continue living, but like, I kinda have to follow these rules, you know? And for that to happen, I need one of you to move. Please move. I can't be here all day, you know? Go! Oh my god, go! What is wrong with you? Okay, you know what? Here. Come here. Come here. I am on the literal edge of death just to help you. I don't care if I die right now. I'm on 1 karma. Hey, your buddy needs help. Like, I'm not gonna lie. See, he's already stuck. Look, he's already stuck. This is an inconvenience. I don't want to do this. No, I'm going to the exterior. Huh, the noodlefly eggs are gone. Come to think, we haven't seen a single noodlefly mother. Oh. I have to, huh? I have to, don't I? Oh, I looped around. Well, I'm back where I was before. So that's where this just leads into one big circle. I know where orange lizards are now, so I can't be too frustrated about it. Oh yeah, there they are. Oh, fuck. God. Oh. Okay, what do I need to eat next? A grapple worm. That's weirdly specific, but okay. Those are definitely in the exterior. I know where those are. Okay. Now I gotta somehow make it to the exterior. It's right over there. I just gotta make it without fucking it up. You know what, actually? I know where else we can get it. Is it a regular vulture? Yeah. Give up. You are nothing against the power of my shield. Fuck you. Okay. And... I hate Sky Island so much. You have no idea how much I fucking hate it. I love the music. I love the music of Sky Islands. The music's great, but like... everything else is just pain, and me being, you know, as I am, you know, a lard, I can't handle it. I cannot handle it. But we're out of there. I don't have to deal with that anymore. I got a new pain I gotta deal with now. Look at him. Look at this fat, chunky piece of shit. He doesn't know the pain that he set me through. He doesn't know anything. He's oblivious. He's stupid. He's adorable, but he's stupid. Alright, these rocks are my friends. Not touching spears because spears wear me out for some reason. Okay. It's okay. Grapple worms show up in Chimney Canopy 2. I know where to get them. Oh my god, a karma flower. Thank you. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Quick, quick, quick. Oh, he didn't see me. He didn't see me. Good. What? Come on. What the fuck? Oh my god. Hi. Excuse me. Please. Don't hurt me. I just want to get through. Oh. Is that the fucking caramel lizard? Hey, ow! Bro, what the hell? I don't like this thing either. Use the bomb on it. Bomb it. Grab the bomb. Oh. I know there's a strap right here. Let's eat this. Yeah, I think that was the caramel lizard that I just fucking saw. You bitch! Gave him the spear, he tries to throw one at me, he fucking misses, asshole.